Hey guys, in this video we are going to make a remote control home automation. The materials required for this project are Arduino Nano, breadboard, you can also use Arduino Uno, remote which is used to send signals for IR sensor. We should decode our remote. I have given link in description. An IR sensor which consists of VCC, ground and output pin. A relay which is consists of ground, VCC and input pin. An AC bulb. Have used this cable to give coding to Arduino. You can also power it with this cable. Some jumper wires. I have used this power bank to power the circuit. For circuit diagram, you can visit description. It's time to test our project.